Hi guys and welcome to Liam's Tech Guide. Today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Philips Hue Motion Sensor. As if you've seen some of my previous videos, I have recently just gone into the Philips Hue ecosystem. I've decided to get the motion sensor mainly for the bathroom really, so it automatically comes on without having to talk to the Amazon Echo Dot or the Apple Home Kit, or even have to use the app. It will just automatically come on. So as you can see, it is a motion sensor. Packaging is very simple. Philips Hue accessory motion sensor. On the side, it just tells you that it turns on your Hue lights automatically on and off. On the back, it just gives you some photo examples. It does have a magnet on the back, which is shown in that picture there. It has a 5-meter range, and it also has a 100-degree angle from the front that you can see, so 100-degree scope from the front. It should be able to detect you. I believe in the app you can program this to come on between certain hours of the day. You can also change the time limit that it's on for, so in the bathroom sometimes you do take a little bit longer than 1 or 2 minutes, so you can program, I'm probably going to program this to 5 minutes or so. And then it will turn off automatically, and then when you go back in it will pick you up again. So just do a quick unboxing. Just take that off. It's the same with everything Philips Hue I've found so far. It is just securely packaged. It is a lot of plastic though, it isn't the nicest of packaging in the world. So as you can see, it's a little motion sensor there. You've got the instruction manuals, which, I mean, it's going to be self-explanatory. You can set it up in the app pretty easily, so we'll put them to one side. You've got a magnet mount there. So it comes with some screws and a little magnet there, and then it should clip onto the back. And then you have the motion sensor itself. So it does run off of AA batteries, I believe. No, AAA batteries. So 2 AAA batteries this runs off of. So it should last quite a while, because in all honesty it's not going to be using a hell of a lot of power to run this thing, as this is just the little motion sensor here. That's a light which I'm assuming is going to indicate when it's in use, or possibly that could be for nighttime, like a nighttime tracker. You've got the magnet section there, which is what that clips onto. As you can see, magnet is quite strong even through packaging. That is giving it some grip. You've got the setup button there, which you will probably have to use when you pair it with your device within the app. As you can see, there's a screw here, so I'm assuming we're going to have to take that screw out, put some batteries in the back, and then you can run it from there. There's a little pull tab there. The batteries may already be in there. I believe, let me just check on the box a second. Yeah, so 2 AAA batteries are included with this. As you can see, it's flashing because I've pulled the tab out, so it must be in pairing mode. If you want to change the battery, simply just undo that screw and then you can get to the battery. So that's it guys, not a very exciting unboxing I must admit, as it is only a motion sensor at the end of the day, but I thought I'd give you an update on the new features that I'm adding to the Philips Hue setup at my house. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking it. Feedback is always great, so leave comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.